Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G52, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So to get started, hold the power key, and when you see your boot options, you want to hold the power off. This will then bring up a window right here. Reboot to safe mode, click on OK, and once the device reboots, it will now boot up into the safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. Anything that you have installed yourself from Play Store or any other way will be turned off and will not be able to run. And the purpose for this is strictly for troubleshooting your device. So you can do that from there. Once you're done with the safe mode, you can simply reboot the device to leave it. As you can see, there we go, safe mode. So I'm going to quickly confirm my SIM pin. So there we go. And here it looks like all the apps are working just fine. Most of the time when you have an app that won't be able to run in this mode, it is grayed out, and if you try to tap on it to open it up, it gives you like a little pop-up right here letting you know that the app cannot run in safe mode. Anyway, like I mentioned, once you're done with safe mode, you can hold your power key and select restart to leave this mode. This will reboot the device, and once it boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. So anyway, that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.